Welcome to Art and Animation Tutor. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to add spotlight effect. Here we have a photo of street light. We are going to add a spotlight effect. First, convert this background layer to normal layer. Add one more layer. Select Overlay from Layer Properties. Go to Rectangular Marquee tool. Select Area according to Spotlight. On Toolbar select Gradient. Click on Setting icon and select New Gradient Preset. A property box will pop up. To make a new gradient, select the color using Eyedropper tool. Now drag the cursor over selection box. Using Free Transform tool, right-click on the selection and select Perspective. Place the anchor points as shown in video. Click on Select tab. Go to Blur Options. Select Gaussian Blur. Select the values till you get effective result. You can see the effect on new layer. Now make a copy of the effect layer. Hide the previous effect layer. Now using Free Transform tool, decrease the size of spotlight on the new layer. And change the blur values as shown in the video. Spotlight is ready. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to comment what you want to learn next, we will make a tutorial for you. Thanks for watching. If you like our tutorial, do like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe and click on bell icon to get notification on new tutorial upload.